Welcome back to Mercedes Benz of Arrowhead. We got a brand new car here, a highly anticipated vehicle as well. 2020 GLB. 2020 GLB. It's on our entry-level car platform, so it's going to give you the 10.25-inch screens with the premium package on both the driver and center display. The new touchpad is also part of this car. And also, this gives you a in-between car from the GLA, which is also getting fully redesigned, to the GLC, which just had its mid-cycle refresh, and also the versatility of a third row. It is going to be powered by a 4-cylinder, 2-liter turbo, 221 horsepower, 258 on the torque, so plenty of get up and go. Front-wheel drive, does have 4MATIC optional. I think it's a really nice complement car to the old GLK that kind of went away. I feel it's kind of almost bigger than a GLK, but a more technologically advanced GLK. So I like the exterior of it. Standard LED front lighting system as well as rear tail lights. You're going to get these 18-inch or maybe 19-inch wheels standard. In your premium package, you're going to get your keyless go, blind spot monitor, and the 10.25-inch screens. That also gives you the fancy MBUX technology, where basically you just say, "Hey Mercedes," and you can let the car do all the work for you. So definitely for the young buyer fresh out of college, starting their career, but also for the young family for sure, that doesn't need a fully bloated SUV or big huge SUV just yet. Just have an infant or something like that, maybe a couple infants where you need the back row. So basically but also, I mean, the retiree too that has the grandkids. So that's the thing. That's why they say this car hit a huge niche, because it's a millennial type generation car all the way up to a baby boomer car for sure, because you're going to get the young family as well as the young grandparents as well that need a little bit bigger vehicle than a sedan or something like a GLA. Optional third row. So it's a 2-3-2 configuration for smaller kids. I don't know the exact height, but because we haven't got one in yet, but definitely for the smaller. You're not going to fit an adult will fit back there. They're not going to be comfortable. I wouldn't want to go to even Old Town Scottsdale in the third row of a GLB probably, but if you're a young family, for sure, that's definitely where your niche is at. So before I show you the beautiful interior, technologically advanced interior of this GLB, just want to show you kind of some of the space that you'll be getting with this vehicle. So you can put your foot under the star. Hatch will pop up automatically. You can also just use the key fob by holding down the button on the key fob, and you can close the hatch by pushing the red button up on the right. So both of these seats will fold down. They're 60-40 split, or you could put the center down if you want, if you need to get something longer through the middle while you have two rear passengers. You're also going to have, the nice thing about this entry is definitely you don't have to get too high to put stuff in, and then it's got a pretty good mount in there, so taller packages or goods can get in there pretty easily. And then also underneath here, you're going to have some storage space for things you want to hide, any of that good stuff. So plenty of room back here. Let's go inside and I'll show you what we got going on in there. All right, just to show you kind of leg room we got back here in the GLB. I got my cameraman as the stunt prop. He's 6'2". How do you feel back there, or up there?
Super comfortable.
All right, so I'm 5'10", 70 inches on the dot, and I got plenty of leg room. He could recline, he can come back a little bit more, he can get himself way more comfortable. So 3 full adults could get back here no problem in the all-new GLB. All right, welcome back, and inside this luxurious yet technologically advanced contemporary GLB cabin, as you can see, it's got the 10.25-inch dual display, which comes in the Premium 1 package. Very customizable in here. You have touch to do whatever you like, and the main thing about our touch is it's cell phone technology, so it's very smooth to the touch. It's not like you have to push it and move it, so it's just like touching any of your iPhones or Android phones. You got the home feature, which will bring you back to this. And like I said, to do customizations, it's as simple as this. If you want to go to your ambient lighting, which so many people do like, whoops. You have multicolor animations, you have the welcome and the climate screens, and then you have a plethora of different varieties of colors you can set right through here. I like red moon myself. As you can see, it just all the way illuminated through the cabin. It's going through the center turbines for the thermostat. Through the center here, you have your thermostat very easy. You have your automatic feature, then just set your temperatures up and down on those barrel switches. If you're familiar with the A-Class cars or the new CLA, this is basically the new center stack. You have the new touchpad, which has a very nice feel to it, and also has that haptic feedback where you'll know where you're actually moving the mouse. Little palm rest right here. And then the command unit, which originally came out of like your S-Class, is now down into the entry-level vehicles. You have the barrel switch for your volume. Not even the upgraded Burmester sound system, but still sounds great. You have all your hard button controls here that you can also control with the touchscreen, or you can control with the touchpad that's on the steering wheel, or the touchpad that customizes the driver's display. Or you could say, hey Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Put on 95.5 FM. And just like that, 95.5 FM is on. So very, very easy to use inside and out. Just to go over a few things, this is an entry-level GLB. It has the premium package, which gives you a lot of features, mainly this the 10.25-inch screen. You also have your blind spot monitors in here for safety. You have the really cool LED lighting system in here. And you know, for power and get up and go, it's an 8G automatic transmission, which is going to speed through the gears, give you smooth transitions through your gears. Also comes with a 4MATIC optional for all-wheel drive if you need it in inclement weather. So that's it for now on the GLB. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Nick Russo here at Mercedes Benz of Arrowhead. Feel free to give us a call. Any one of my associates can help you down here at the store. We'd love to see you. Take care. And also, directly call me 480-550-2255. I will give you a discount if you let me know you saw my video. Thank you.